Sixth problem. Find the equation of the locus of a point such that the sum of the squares of the distance from the points 3, 5 and 1, minus 1 is equal to 20. Okay. Distance from the points 3, 5 and 1, minus 1. We know the distance formula, square root of x minus x1 minus x2 the whole square plus y1 minus y2 the whole square, isn't it? So we are going to use the formula here. Let A be the point of 3, 5 and B be the point of 1, minus 1 be the given points. Here P of h, k be any point. So we can have PA square plus PB square equal to 20. So PA square is nothing but the distance between the point P and A. Okay. So we can have here that PA is nothing but h minus 3 the whole square plus k minus 5 the whole square, and the distance between PB is h minus 1 the whole square plus k plus 1 the whole square equal to 20. Then I want to expand this as a minus b the whole square formula. So that is h square minus 6h plus 9, and here also we want to expand this, that is k square minus 10k plus 25, and here this h minus 1 the whole square is h square minus 2h plus 1, and this one k plus 1 the whole square is nothing but k square plus 2k plus 1 equal to 20. And then we have to simplify everything there, so that we have got this equation as 2h square plus 2k square minus 8h minus 8k plus 36 minus 20 equal to 0. And then we want to again simplify this, so that we got 2h square plus 2k square minus 8h minus 8k plus 16 equal to 0. So this is the equation in terms of h and k. Okay, if you divide by 2 for the whole equation, we got h square plus k square minus 4h minus 4k plus 8 equal to 0 there. So we can write the locus of h, k is in terms of x and y. We have to write this, isn't it? So x square plus y square minus 4x minus 4y plus 8 equal to 0. That is locus of h, k. Seventh problem. Find the equation of the locus of the point P such that the line segment AB joining the points A of 1, minus 6 and B of 4, minus 2 subtends a right angle at P. We want to find the equation of the locus of the point. Okay, and here it's given the line segment AB joining the points A of 1, minus 6 and B of 4, minus 2 subtends a right angle at P. So we can have the like as usual that P of h, k be any point there, and here in the diagram it's there A is 1, minus 6 and B is 4, this is the point B and this is the point A. So A is 1, minus 6 and B is 4, minus 2. Here that equation that both the points subtends at the right angle triangle here at P. So that is P here. So we can have AB square plus AB square equal to PA square plus PB square. Okay, so PA square plus PB square. Here we can have the distance between PA is PA square. PA is 1 minus 4 the whole square plus minus 6 plus 2 the whole square. That is the distance between AB equal to PA square is h minus 1 the whole square plus k plus 6 the whole square, and distance between P and B is h minus 4 the whole square plus k plus 2 the whole square. Now we want to expand for each and everything as a plus b the whole square and a minus b the whole square. So if you subtract this, minus 3 is here and here it is minus 4 the whole square equal to, here we have to expand the formula as a minus b the whole square, that is h square minus 2h plus 1, and this is a plus b the whole square. So we got k square plus 12k plus 36, and this is h minus 4 the whole square is h square minus 8h plus 16, and k plus 2 the whole square is k square plus 4k plus 4. And then simplify everything. So we have 9 plus 16, and here 2h square plus 2k square minus 10h plus 16k plus 57. So if you simplify this thing, we have 2h square plus 2k square minus 10h plus 16k plus 57 minus 9 minus 16 equal to 0. Therefore, 2h square plus 2k square minus 10h plus 16k plus 32 equal to 0. So we want to write this in the in terms of x and y, so that we can have, and one more thing, we can divide by 2 also, send it. So if you divide everything there, we can have h square plus k square minus 5h plus 8k plus 16 equal to 0. So therefore the locus of h comma k in terms of x and y is nothing but x square plus y square minus 5x plus 8y plus 16 equal to 0. Eighth problem. If O is the origin and R is a variable point on y square equal to 4x, then find the equation of the locus of the midpoint of the line segment OR. Here it's given O is the origin. In the diagram it's there. O is the origin, and here the equation of this locus is y square equal to 4x, and R is a comma b. So here the point P of h comma k is any point on this line. So y square equal to 4x, and P of h comma k is the midpoint of the line segment of R a comma b, be any point. So the h comma k is 0 plus a by 2 and 0 plus b by 2. That is nothing but a by 2 and b by 2. Here h is a by 2 and k is b by 2. Therefore, we got a equal to 2h and b equal to 2k. The given equation is y square equal to 4x. So, at a comma b, we can write this equation as b square equal to 4a. So, b is 2k. So, 2k the whole square. 4 into a is 2h here. Then, if you simplify, we have 4k square equal to 8h. Can cancel these two, so that we have k square equal to 2h. Ninth problem. The coordinates of a moving point P are a by 2 of cosecant theta plus sin theta, comma, b by 2 of cosecant theta minus sin theta, where theta is a variable parameter. Show that the equation of the locus of P is b square x square minus a square y square equal to a square b square. We want to prove the locus, and here the given points are, let P of h comma k be any point. So h equal to a by 2 of cosecant theta plus sin theta, and k equal to b by 2 of cosecant theta minus sin theta. So here we can cross multiply this thing, so that we have 2h by a equal to cosecant theta plus sin theta, and 2k by b equal to cosecant theta minus sin theta. From these two, we can consider as the equations. So 1 square, the first equation square minus the second equation square, will be given like this. So 4h square by a square minus 4k square by b square, that is nothing but cosecant theta of plus sin theta the whole square minus cosecant theta minus sin theta the whole square. So we can have 4h square by a square minus 4k square by b square equal to, we want to write this as a plus b the whole square. That is nothing but cosecant square theta plus sin square theta plus 2 cosecant theta sin theta minus of. So we can multiply whole things as by minus here, so that we have cosecant square theta minus sin square theta plus 2 cosecant theta into sin theta. And then if you simplify this, we can have that 4 into h square by a square minus k square by b square equal to, if we cancel everything on the right hand side, we have simply this 2 and plus 2, that means 4. So we have 4 of that 4 and 4 also will get cancelled. So we have the remaining thing as h square by a square minus k square by b square equal to 1. If you we want to write the locus of this, isn't it? So in terms of x and y we have to write. Therefore the locus of the equation is x square by a square minus y square by b square equal to 1 here. And here instead of this x and y, h and k, we can have the LCM as that a square and b square is also given. So if you cross multiply this, we have b square h square minus a square k square equal to a square b square. The locus of h comma k is nothing but b square x square minus a square y square equal to a square b square. So this is the given, for the given points, the locus of, we found the locus as b square x square minus a square y square equal to a square b square.